right?
Yes, sir. We just got the dates.
Yeah, they are ready to welcome you. Welcome in New Year
Yes,
to
sir.
the board practical. So they have on 5th, I think so. 4th or 5th, right? Starting.
I think 4th, 5th, 6th, and I think it's 3rd.
Okay. Yeah, actually board practicals are variable, right? The dates can be varied whenever we want. I think so. I'm not sure about it. Okay, so we were doing this type of question. No, this is different. What is this? Binding energy. Oh, that doubt. Okay. Convex lens. Okay. So prism type question I gave. So if you want to see like ray optics, I've given test for ray optics on prism type question. So we will not do that. We'll go for some other type. Instruments will do it. So that we'll do today instruments, so we can wind this chapter. So tomorrow wave, not tomorrow, on the next year. Periscope, tube length, 60 centimeter is 5. Yeah, by the way, like those who are in 12th standard, like they have to practice for that your board exam also. So simultaneously, how can you do? Like whenever you're studying for the chapter, you're preparing for some topic. With that, at least 10 question, choose it from JEE. So it will be a practice for JEE also, as well as your board also. Because JEE dates are already there. So you can do simultaneously that way. Just choose some 10 questions, some like not random, some different type question. Like how we are doing here. If you don't have question, you can ask me. I can send it to you, WhatsApp or whatever. Focal length of it's I. So how to start this one? Magnifying power of telescope it is. The tube length. So yeah, formula. First thing, formula. What's the formula for this? Who remember this formula? Yeah, tell me. Okay, first tell me how to find length of telescope. It's easy. Come on. Samhita, tell me. Do you remember?
No, sir. I don't.
No? Length of telescope or tube length of this tube will be
So is it
FO
something
plus,
related to focal length?
yeah, FOFE. So FO means focal length of
Object.
objective lens and focal length of eyepiece. But they have given magnification also. So we have to consider magnification also. So M equals to 4 by phi, for phi. You can remember that, for phi. And length is for phi, length is for phi. But here addition, here division, which is given as 5. So 4 is 5 times of phi. You can substitute this one here. Khatam. That's it. This is equals to 60 because it's tube length. So 4 we can say it is 50, and phi we can say it is 10 centimeter. So what they're asking, focal length of eyepiece. P is 5. Sorry, 10. What is the option? But option is not there. 20, 30, 60. Yeah, the D option D. It is 10 centimeter. Chalo. Samhita, will you now remember?
No, sir, I don't.
No. Now you will remember, I'm saying. You have to remember now this formula for phi. Let's take microscope. Yeah. Where is the microscope? Which question? This is objective lens, eyepiece, telescope. No, not telescope. ठीक है ये. If we need a magnification (375), oh, so big, from compound microscope of tube length 150 m and objective of focal length 5 mm. Of eyepiece should be dash. All are in mm, so keep it in mm. So in this one, magnification formula, I'll write here L by f naught 1 plus D by FP. Yeah, so tell me what is D here? What will be the value of D? See, these are out of this one, there is nothing D here. This is L is 150. Okay. And this is 5 mm. This is 375. So we have to find this one is the question mark. This is the question mark. Now this we know standard value. What is standard value? Do you remember? Anyone? Come on. Aditi,
I
Akshay,
remember.
Samhita. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Sam, you remember? No? Okay, I'll give you a hint. It is the least distance of distinct Vision. What is the nearest value we can see? Minimum value we can see clearly. Least distance. Minimum value we can see object clearly. No? Still no? Okay. It is 25 centimeter. You need to remember this value. So minimum value we can, human eye can see, that is 25 centimeter. Remember we studied in 10th standard? And far value, what is the maximum value we can see? This is a minimum value. Then what is the maximum value? Anyone? It's infinity. Got it? Then find phi here. Come on. अरे बच्चा लोग, are you there? अरे
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, get me nearest value, because I think so it will come in decimals. So I don't know. If you're getting clear value, no problem. If you're getting decimals, make it round off, because I don't have any decimal value. I have 22, 12, 2, 33, like that. Or make it quick.
Sir, is it 22 millimeters or 2.2 centimeters?
No, I have in mm only, so keep it 22.
Okay, 22 millimeters.
Okay. Let others say, because I don't have answers. I have to turn the pages and like 100, 500 pages. I have to turn and check. Samhita, what's your answer? Akshit, what about you? What's your answer? Okay, this is a question here. We don't need here calculation. Just go to check the properties. Okay. So if you're finished, I can go for this. Okay, so question is here: in a compound microscope, intermediate. Image is what? Image is virtual, erect, and magnified. Second option, real, erect, magnified. Third one, real, inverted, magnified. Fourth one, virtual, erect, reduce. What could be correct option? If you want, I can draw it here. I'll make a lens also bigger. Image can be formed here towards the focus. This is the first object A, B. So let's take A dash, B dash. This is A double dash, B double dash. So what are we getting? Final image, or no, intermediate, sorry, intermediate they're talking about. So intermediate, obviously, first after first one, what we are getting? Real, inverted, magnified. So magnified image, we are magnifying a double time. See, for example, this is magnifying 10 times, 10x time. So this is magnifying another 10x time. This image is this image they're magnifying 10x time. So totally it's magnifying total image is 100x time. That is why if you observe those uh, like magnifying thing, we can magnify our object from our hand also, or like microscope. There in bio we are taking it that for a it's small what do you call cells. Yeah, I'm totally computer science students. I don't know much thing about biology, but I know about microscope. Okay. So understood this one? This was asking some 2000. What type of question we can do now? This is good, but it's old question. 2004. Place that. This is okay. No, this is not required. Let's try this one. This is a similar question which we did before also. Not this question. We can try this one. Yeah, frequency wala question we can do it. Okay. A source emit sound of frequency 600 hertz inside water. Will be equal to velocity of air in, velocity of sound in water is 1500 meter per second. And air, sound in air is 300 meter per second. Okay. So what will be answer here? Any idea how to solve this? Aditi? Samhita?
Sir, I'm trying.
Okay. What about you, Samhita? Are you thinking anything? Something is coming in your mind?
I'm trying to.
And okay. See how to start this one. First, find out what's the relation between frequency of this object, whatever it is, and they're saying inside the water and outside the water. So we need to find a relation between frequency and this medium. If there is a relation something, then we need to use the relation between them. That is, as a speed of sound, speed of water is given. Air is given and water is given. So wavelength, they would not mention anything. Okay, I'll give you some 30 seconds to think. Then I'll give you answer. Think, come on. Okay, chalo, I'll give answer now. Did you find anything? Samhita?
Can you explain?
Yes, sir, could you explain the question?
Okay,
Yes, I didn't
actually,
understand too.
okay. This is like very, very easy. I'll make it simple, very, very simple words. I'll use simple words. So, like when we are talking about frequency, frequency is related to speed. Yes. Frequency is related to wavelength. Yes. It is related to time period. Yes. All are yes, yes. But is frequency related to this changing medium? Will it change? But that is no. Frequency, remember this, what I'm saying here, I'm saying very, very slow so that you can remember. Frequency does not, let's write here some other words, does not change with change in or change of medium. So frequency of frequency of sound in water equals to air. It varies with all other things which I said before. It is not depending on this one, air or air heard, which we heard here outside. That's what they're saying, no? If it's heard outside, how it will be? So it will be 600 hertz. So we have option like 600, 1200, 6000, and 3000. So we'll choose 600. Okay? That's what is not depending. Okay? Is it clear now? Chalo, then let's wind up. And Happy New Year for you. Enjoy your one day.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Thank you,
Yo.
sir.
Yo. Bye-bye.